I'm gonna do I'm gonna do something funny for you guys. Hold on. You'll have to look over there for a second. It won't come out. Come on.